What if I told you there's a train ride so long, it makes New York to LA feel short? Meet the Trans-Siberian Railway, the world's longest journey on rails. Over 5,700 miles of track, 7 days non-stop, crossing 8 time zones, more than any US flight. Through endless forests, across the Ural Mountains, and past Lake Baikal, a place so deep and ancient, locals call it the soul of Siberia. On board, it's not just travel, it's a rolling village where strangers become family and every window is a postcard. A week on steel tracks, a lifetime of memories. The longest adventure this planet has to offer. Fly more, spend less, join Noji.